Troubleshooting. This section of the training video will teach you how to troubleshoot the MaxiRider in the field before calling a MaxiRider technician. The two most common issues are the unit will not run at all, or the MaxiRider stops while riding without pressing any of the handheld buttons. The first type of situation you may encounter is when you press the up or down button and the MaxiRider will not turn on and move up or down. Follow these troubleshooting steps. First, always check the batteries in the handheld remote. Each remote takes 3 AA batteries. Most problems with the MaxiRider are a result of bad batteries in the handheld unit. Second, make sure there isn't a switch or a tripped breaker in the driller's house that controls the MaxiRider. Also, check the plug in the doghouse that controls the MaxiRider and make sure it's on too. Third, if you hit the on button on the handheld remote and see a red and green light come on simultaneously, this means either bad batteries or there is a corrupt electrical chip inside the receiver. Try installing new batteries, and if you still have problems, you will need to send the entire unit in, both the MaxiRider hoist and handheld remote. Leave the stand bolted on the crown. If you choose not to send the MaxiRider in, you will need to call a MaxiRider service technician to come out on a service call. Fourth, you will need to climb the derrick ladder with the handheld remote and check all electrical plug connections at each section. If you notice any loose connections or spot anything unusual, report it to the drilling manager. If you don't notice any loose plugs, proceed up the crown and check the LED lights on the receiver to be sure the receiver is getting a signal and has power. Look for the 4 LED lights on the top of the receiver. One light is the operation light, another is the signal light, the third is an error light, and the fourth light is a normal light. The operation LED light should be blinking if the unit has power. When you depress the handheld remote, you will see the operation signal and normal lights come on. If the error light comes on, call a MaxiRider technician. Fifth, if the hoist still will not come on, you will need to manually reset the lower limit switch. The lower limit switch is located on the top of the unit, at the base of the red spring. You can reach up under the wire rope protective cage to access the wire rope drum. Turn the wire rope drum clockwise, and this will reset the limit switch. Sixth, if all of the previous have been checked, check to see if the block stop has been activated. The block stop is a secondary brake that activates if the wire rope takes a sudden surge. It can also be tripped if you tighten it up too tightly when securing the wire rope off when the MaxiRider is not in use. When the block stop has been activated, the lever will be in a down position. To reset it, push the lever back up until you hear a click. This will let you know it's been reset. The lever will stay in the up position until it is activated again. Warning: never open the radio frequency receiver housing or tamper with any part of the MaxiRider. Only qualified MaxiRider service technicians should ever attempt to repair the MaxiRider. The second type of situation you may encounter is when riding the MaxiRider, the hoist cuts on and off. You need to check the following. A. Check the handheld remote's batteries. B. Make sure constant power is maintained at the hoist. C. If the MaxiRider continues to malfunction, call a MaxiRider technician. For troubleshooting questions, contact BLP Services.